Darn it, I missed again. Darn it, I give up. Even ninja stars don't work. So I've used knives, bows and arrows, and lastly my ninja stars, and nothing seems to work. I cannot seem to catch one of those elusive butter chickens I've heard so much about in the forest. I see the wild chickens running around, but I just can't get any of the butter ones. I don't know. You know, maybe I just want to eat some so bad with my wife, because every channel I watch, they're always eating butter chicken, especially in Australia, New Zealand. Oh, is my hair good? I love me prawns, but you know, butter chicken's my second favorite. If you know, you know. Or, ooh, tonight we're having butter chicken. Is it yummy? So much love to both of you. I'm not picking on you, I'm just being silly. So maybe I should look up and see if it's an actual recipe, not a chicken. Maybe it's something you mix with chicken to make it a butter chicken. Maybe you just put butter on it. I'm gonna have to look that up. Last but not least, I hope you like my tank top. It says, support local Polynesian owned. It's pretty awesome. And you can see on the back, hopefully you can see that. It says, Chee-hoo Life. That's right. That is a special little store that we went to that's in Tacoma, Washington. We supported them by buying a few goodies from them, including their shirt and some other stuff my wife wanted and Silhouette wanted. So maybe we'll share with you that another time, but for now, let me go look up this butter chicken stuff and see if it's the actual recipe, and then I'm gonna make it for me and my wife. All right, that's all I have to say for now. Let's get started. Well, I'll be darned, it is a recipe. So I wrote down the little things I needed. Basically, I got a couple big chicken breasts, some olive oil, some fresh cilantro, heavy whipping cream, salt, pepper. Gosh, what else? I have garam masala, I have turmeric, I have cumin, I have red chili powder, I have minced ginger, minced garlic, gosh, fresh yogurt, and some crushed tomatoes. I am not going to bore you today with showing you us make that. Today is going to be all about us eating it and the finished product. Let's get started. I will show you a little bit of me cutting up the chicken breast because I wanted to show you my new cute cutting board. It says it's from Rock and Branch. It says totally bamboo. So, I wonder if bamboo's strong. We'll find out when I start chopping through this chicken. So I'm just going to chop it in chunks, or try to chop it in chunks. All right. Like I said, this is not about cooking today, it's about eating, so we'll see you in a bit. All right, it is done. I seared both sides and then slow cooked it for about 20 minutes. We get her this butter chicken. And then I want it to look a little fancy like the restaurants that I've seen on YouTube. Put a little cream in it. Oh, isn't that cute? And then even, my fingers clean, a little dollop of yogurt in the middle. And last but not least, oh yeah, little fresh green cilantro. There we go. How does it look? I hope she enjoys it. By the way, my wife, normally they serve it over rice sometimes. My wife don't like anything on her rice. So I'm just going to put a little pyramid of rice there on the side for her. I'll put mine on top of my rice though. Oh, in case you cared, here's my plate. So I put mine on my rice. Added some crushed red peppers because you know I love spice. And everything else is pretty much the same. And we got some nice, warm naan bread for each of us to eat it with. We'll also get a fork too, though. Just hold it like this, and then put your face out and smile. Like this. Look at me. Look how low I am, man.
Mine's just spitting a little bit.
Okay, GoPro, stop recording. All right, we are setting here together by popular demand. People wanted to set really close. Just kidding. It was just me. No one asked us to do that. So here's some warm naan bread for you. I'm gonna try to eat mine like traditional by using the naan bread to pick up the meat.
Hey, mine looks like Superman.
Superman. Let's try it. Wow, it tastes like something I've never tasted before. I did put a little heavy cream in mine too, like they do. I didn't put any yogurt in mine, but I'm not a huge yogurt fan, even though there's yogurt in the sauce. It's not bad. It's not bad. Being honest, I don't know if I'd order this every time I go to a restaurant. But I would order it once in a while. It's a different taste for me because I'm not a big, well, I don't want to say I'm not a big, I don't eat Indian food normally, so. Tastes good with the bread for sure. Let me just try the chicken's super soft. The slow cooked with the cilantro and everything tastes really good. Woo. Yeah, that's good. How do you think?
I like it.
You like it. Of course, she likes curry though too. Every time I make her, well, not as much as a lot of people, but I don't even like curry.
This doesn't really taste like curry.
No, it tastes like butter maybe.
Yeah, but it also has this distinct tomato.
Oh, tomatoes. Yeah, the tomatoes are there.
That's the difference.
Well, good.
Uh-huh.
Of course, mine has that spice on it I added. Good. Try some of the yogurt. The little bit of spice you taste with it, the yogurt's supposed to help cool that down, I guess.
It's not spicy though.
What do you mean? There is a little bit of spice in it. It's not spicy. Oh, not for her. All of a sudden she's the spice queen, huh?
No.
You know what I mean. There's a little... Even the turmeric and stuff with the spice. I don't mean necessarily spicy, hot spicy.
What was that yogurt when I was on fire from our challenge we did?
Oh my god, do you know how long ago that was?
It doesn't matter. I can still feel it.
Me and the girls have a challenge coming up. That will be probably in... I don't know, probably you already saw it, but that challenge with the Hot Ones, chicken nuggets from the Hot Ones TV show. I keep saying TV show, but it's a YouTube show. It's awesome. That was the stinking hottest thing I've ever put in my mouth. She should have joined that one. Just, I like the cream on it. The cream actually makes a nice fresh taste to it. They drizzle the cream on it sometimes in the pictures. I was looking at Google Images and I saw like white stuff. I'm like, what is that? What is the white stuff in the thing? They said cream. I said, oh, okay.
What kind of cream?
Like cream. It's made from cow's milk. Cream. Like cream. Just cream. No special cream. Like cream. Cream. You know what cream is? Not like cream. Just cream. How many creams are there?
Bread. Naan bread.
It's naan bread. It's not your bread. It's not my bread. Not your bread either. Yeah, it is good.
Kind of feel like I should maybe save half of it and then maybe put something on it and then bake it. Pizza.
Well, it has been baked. It's just not as hot.
A mat for like pizza.
Oh, right.
Melt stuff on it. Bet you that'll be good.
Whew, the spice is starting to hit in. I really put a lot of crushed red peppers on it. I make a lot of stuff that I don't like to eat myself, but that's not, you know, I don't have to like the food I make. I just have to try to make it good. And when I was cooking this, the smell of the turmeric, cumin, and coriander was kind of bothering me because I'm like, oh, that is not the smells my nose is used to. But I can see why people like this. But like Faye says, not as good as prawns.
Hey, so.
Talk to her later, not on the camera.
My naan bread's talking to you.
Secret messages during dinner. The girls ate something different. They didn't want anything to do with tomato curry sauce on their chicken, which is fine. I don't make them try anything if they don't want to. When they get older, they'll try stuff. I like it with the rice for sure. Well, I'm just glad my wife likes it.
The chicken makes it good.
Yeah, the chicken's so soft.
I'm not a big fan of the whole thing, but I really do like the chicken and the bread. It's naan bread. Naan bread.
It's naan bread.
It's naan bread.
Is it bread? No, it's naan bread. You know, the hot spice part doesn't bother me. It's that weird turmeric, cumin combination, coriander. I have to get used to that taste. Maybe a little extra no salt, new salt will help me. I'm gonna try some of her yogurt with the chicken, see if I like that. Now I don't eat yogurt, but here I am trying something for the first time. That's not bad. I didn't know yogurt tasted like that. I only got a little bit. I can taste it here. Okay. It tastes like something else. I can't picture it though.
Sour cream.
Like sour cream, right? Is yogurt just sour cream? What the heck? I didn't know that. I can put it on my bagels.
Silly.
Ooh, it's quite filling though for the bread. This is really thick bread. I maybe I shouldn't have put it on my rice because I don't have enough sauce. Sauce. That's why it's good having your spouse or your significant other sitting right next to you.
Yeah, I ate all my chicken and my bread.
Good job. That's your bread right here. So not all of it. And there's chicken right there. I see one little piece.
That's all.
See? With the yogurt, it almost makes it taste like a Hispanic food.
No, more like Greek.
Oh, Greek food, right. You're so well traveled, honey.
I know it.
It has been a super busy weekend. We took Silhouette to try her new Samoan skill thing. I won't mention it now. Maybe we'll do a video about it later. Went shopping up in Tacoma. Mommy took girls to the gym to work out. They're all going to get in shape, get muscles. You probably already saw the pulingi that I did for her. That was like her breakfast lunch. I did that video today too. And then I turned around and had to restart another video. But I kind of like doing that on Saturdays. I get 2 or 3 videos done, and then I can relax for a couple weeks.
Eat it with rice.
Oh, you don't like it with rice? Oh, because of bread, yeah. I didn't think about that.
It just tastes right.
The butter sauce is good though. Especially dipping the naan bread in it. All right. I'm actually full. I've ate all my chicken. Mommy's ate all her chicken. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. We sure appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up button. And I'll buy my wife some more naan bread. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, I got her. Alright, we love you all. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. Alofa to forever and ever. Until next time, much love, everyone. Thanks so much. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already. Make sure you comment down below. Tell me if you like naan bread with your butter chicken. And make sure to share if you have social media. So that's it for this week. We'll see you next time. Until then, Tofa Sefua. And 1, 2, 3. Peace